Hello! Today we are visiting Prospect Mountain in Lake George, New York. Starting in Lake George Village, there is a paved road that will take you up to the top. It is a little over a 5.5-mile drive. There are a few overlooks along the way. This is the first one. The summit of the mountain is 2,018 feet. Once you get near the top, there is a parking area. And if you do want to go up to see the summit, you do have to walk it. But it's an easy walk. I think it's only a quarter of a mile. Here is a nice look over Lake George Village. It is said that the view at the top of the summit is 100 miles. At one time, there was the Prospect Mountain House, which was on the summit, where visitors could go to eat, have dinner, and to stay overnight for $3. The only way to get to the Prospect House, though, was the Incline Railway. The fare was 50 cents per passenger, which was pretty substantial at the time, as average wages for the week were only about $3. They do still have the cable gear, though, from the railway. Thank you so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, please hit like and subscribe to see more content like this.